lady, may I be placed on record for the second and the fourth interested party? And permit me to only indicate the implication of the orders of the Parliament that were issued by the judge who directed the Chief Justice that empanel you. To the best of my thinking and knowledge is that the prayer was granted as it is for the empanelment of five judge bench.
Mr. Zero, yes.
There one zero.
We speak from the record. You had me mention the parties. I said that this file has been empaneled to comprise the Honorable Mr. Justice Eric Ogola, the Honorable Mr. Justice Murima, the Honorable Dr. Judge Freda Mugambi. I think that's very clear. We are only three.
That's correct. But I will address it more on that issue.
My lords, my lady.
So we mention it tomorrow. Mr. Jiro, you say you come for which parties?
Your Lordship, I appear for the second and the fourth interested party.
Thank you.
My Lord, perhaps if I may make a request. My Lord, there is a file that is live before you. And that is petition number 565 of 2024. We have requested, my Lord, that you give directions in respect of the applications in that matter, because this process of taking quorum might take some time. And there are three cohorts of files that are before you. And if I may just be given a moment to explain myself. As the court has correctly identified, there is a cohort of files that are consolidated in petition 522. There is a cohort of files that is consolidated around petition 565, which have the two applications that the court has identified as urgent. And then there are these others that have been referred to the court by virtue of the email that we have all seen today. It is my request that the court keeps them in those cohorts so that these are important, but the applications are urgent. And the court has identified that urgency, because this will go on for 2 or 3 hours without any directions having been given in 565.
Lord, could we be on board together? We are being made orphans. The state is in the bedroom. Let us also be in the bedroom so that we can respond.
What do you want to do in the bedroom?
We will discuss. Can we allow the parties to come on record?
Mr. Omari, the reason why we are mentioning these matters is to find out if any of them would be ripe for consolidation with the matter which is here, so that we don't duplicate.
Thank you, Lord.
My Lord, perhaps as you consider that, let me put it on record that if you are considering whether they are ripe for